What's up everyone, you're all welcome to Inside, and in today's video I'm gonna take you step by step on how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram just with one click.
Old walls that I'm stuck inside, I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your code and I got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life, my life. Oh. That I built for you just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside, I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no I didn't see it coming. Well, I got you